Here's a solution to problem 3.2.45 from Rockswold's algebra. So the problem is to graph this equation, y equals negative x, just by plotting points. So let's start by making a table with some x values and their corresponding y values. So the x values that we put in this table are going to be more or less random, but they might as well be integers. They don't have to be integers. We could use fractions, but integers are just a little easier to work with. And let's pick a few. So why not? Let's try -2, 0, 1, and 3, say. And for the y values, we are going to use this equation to calculate the corresponding y values. So if x is -2, when we put that into this equation, for y we get negative x, and x is -2, and -2 is +2. Okay, and so we'll do that for the rest of these x values. -0 is 0, -1 is -1, and when we put 3 in there, we get -3. Now each of these points here, -2, 2, here, here, and here, these each give us an ordered pair, and each ordered pair is a point on the plane. So for this first one, we get the ordered pair -2, 2. And remember, whenever you're plotting a point on the plane, the first coordinate is an x value, and the second coordinate is a y value. So we need to find the point on the plane with x coordinate -2 and y coordinate 2. So x is -2, so that's this spot on the x-axis. And now we need to go up until we get to the y coordinate 2, and that's right here. So this is the point -2, 2. Now we'll do that for the rest of the points, the rest of the rows in our table. So 0, 0, that one's easy to remember. That's the origin right here. 1, -1, so we'll go over 1 on the x-axis and down 1 on the y-axis. That's right here. And then 3, -3, that's over 3 on the x-axis, down 3 on the y-axis. So right there. And then once you have enough points, you will be able to draw your line. This is a little hard to do on the tablet, so I apologize if my line ends up being pretty terrible. Something like that. So there is a graph of the line y equals -x. If you're doing this problem online, your equation might be a little different, but the idea will be the same.